Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another video. So today I want to do a sticker haul. This sticker haul is going to be from Sara Marie Stickers. This is her mystery kit from January. So if you have not received the mystery kit and you purchased it and you don't want to see what the mystery kit looks like, come back and watch this video later. So I just wanted to give you fair warning before I pull the stickers out. If you were waiting to be surprised about if you buy her stickers and you were waiting to be surprised of the mystery kit for January, just wanted to give you a heads up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out of her package. All right. So let's go ahead and open this up. And she was talking about she did something different with this kit. I'm not sure what it is because I've only ordered one other kit from her, so I'm not real sure. I haven't done a comparison of that kit because I haven't used it yet. So I haven't done a comparison of it, so I'm not real sure what she did differently. So if you buy her stickers a lot and you know what she did differently, let me know in the comments. All right, so this is a little freebie that comes along with the stickers. Has a computer desk here, some clothes on like a clothes line with clothes pins, fingernail polish, coffee Keurig machine, and then an envelope for Happy Mail, I think. And this could be used on Valentine's Day as well. So, all right. So this is the hourly kit because I use the hourly Erin Condren Life Planner. So let's take a look at these. So she has her numbers across the top. You have a rescheduled and scheduled sticker, some books, some balloons, little cleaning spray bottle, a house. You have some boxes here, right? You got your dates here, and you got, looks like some washi, but it looks like a checklist, but it's washi. You got some check boxes here, some more boxes. And I'm new to planning, so if I'm calling some of this stuff wrong, let me know. I've mostly been using Happy Planner stickers, so I'm not real familiar with all of the names of everything. Right, here's some more washi. I think this will go at the bottom of your planner. Here's some little dots here. You have your weekend banner. Got a decorative box. You got some more. I'm calling them boxes, but I know they're called something else. And then this is looks like Sara Marie stickers order that you can put somewhere on your planner if you order some stickers, and you can check it off once you order your stickers. All right, here's some more boxes, and this is the third sheet. We got some thin washi here. Got some ombre boxes. Some little cute little boxes here. All right. And just more boxes that you can use. So I think it's a pretty cute kit. I like neutral colors, and some of these colors are kind of neutral. So I do like that. I'm not really a floral person, so I'm glad that the floral on here is pretty minimal. So yeah, I like this mystery kit. I like it. I'm always kind of weary with getting mystery kits because I don't want to get it and I don't like it. I mean, I'll still use it, but because I paid for it. But I'm always kind of weary with getting mystery kits because I'm not real sure if I'm gonna like them or not. But I think this kit is a winner. So, all right, let me know what you think in the comments. If you think these are really cute stickers, let me know in the comments. I think I'll probably be using this pretty soon in my planner. If not in the month of February, I'll use it in the month of March. But yeah, I am satisfied with my Sara Marie Stickers mystery kit order. And again, this is the hourly kit. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in my next video.